Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing great today. In today's video, I am excited to share one of my favorite handmade creation with you. This elegant crochet shawl. This shawl is more than just an accessory. It is a symbol of creativity, patience, and love for handmade art. Every stitch is carefully crafted to give it a soft texture and a graceful flow. Making this shawl took many hours for dedication, but the final look make all of the effort worthwhile. I designed this crochet shawl to be lightweight yet warm, making it perfect for all seasons. This yarn is soft, breathable and comfortable on the skin. You can wear it for long hours without any irritation. Its delicate pattern add a beautiful texture that enhances any outfit. This shawl can be styled in many ways. You can wear it over casual outfit, dresses or even traditional clothing for a classy and elegant look. It's perfect for everyday wear, evening gathering, office setting or special occasion. One of the most special thing about this crochet shawl is its versatility. You can wrap it around your shoulder, wrap it like a scarf or style it as statement pieces. The timeless design make it suitable for all age group. Handmade crochet shawl are unique because no two pieces are exactly the same. Each shawl has its own character and charm, which make it truly special. With proper care, this shawl can last for many years and remain beautiful. This crochet shawl also make a wonderful gift for birthday, wedding and festive occasion. Handmade gifts always feel more meaningful and personal. If you love handmade fashion and elegant crochet design, this shawl is perfect addition to your wardrobe. It adds warmth, comfort and a touch of handmade luxury to your style. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like, comment your thought, subscribe to my channel for more crochet ideas and handmade fashion. Let me know in the comment if you would like a tutorial or pattern video for this crochet shawl. Take care and Allah Hafiz.